Hello everyone, in front of me is XIAOMI Pad 8 Pro, and let me show you how to allow installation of apps from unknown sources. So if you want to install something from the external source, but you cannot skip it and you want to allow it, just open the settings, then go to privacy protection and enroll special permissions. Here go to install unknown apps and pick the app that you want to download another one from particular source. So if you open the preferred one, just mark allow from the source. Just be aware that it's highly sensitive permission and you have to be sure and aware of possible risks to accept it. So just tap on OK if you are, and that's it. It is allowed. Let's reopen another one. Each time you have to confirm that you are aware about the risks regarding this sensitive protection. Tap on OK, and that's it. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.